Welcome to Kabeer. In this video, we will demystify implementation costs, hidden operational leaks, and how this platform drives long-term business ROI and scalable growth. Operational inefficiencies can create a silent drain on your working capital. Problems like inventory blind spots, manual reporting, production delays, and data duplication often cost more than the investment in an ERP system itself. This video outlines baseline budget parameters for cloud deployment, categorized by organizational scale and complexity, from small businesses with just a few users to multi-location enterprises. Implementation costs vary based on your business model. Compare a baseline trading company with 5 users to a complex manufacturing engine with 40 users and custom integrations. Your ERP pricing is driven by your business complexity, not just the software. The anatomy of an implementation is built upon 5 layers: business process analysis, system configuration, data migration, customization and integrations, and finally, user training to ensure adoption and security of your investment. Phase 1 of implementation focuses on architecture and configuration. We begin by auditing your existing workflows to ensure the system bends to fit your business, followed by activating the specific modules that support your key operational processes. Phase 2 centers on data migration and customization. Clean, accurate historical data is the foundation of a successful go-live. We then bridge any gaps by integrating e-commerce, CRM, or logistics platforms and refining workflows to meet specific industry needs. When considering deployment, choose between cloud or on-premise based on your financial goals. Cloud deployments prioritize operational expenditure with easier scalability, while on-premise options provide absolute control over infrastructure and data governance. Look at the ROI equation. While implementation is a finite investment, the cost of remaining inefficient is perpetual. By replacing manual drains with real-time visibility and data-driven decision-making, you transform a liability into a core business asset. Here are some quick answers to common pricing questions. User licensing is tailored to specific roles. Data readiness affects initial effort. And because every business model is unique, accurate pricing always requires a personalized process assessment. Kabeer Consulting Group is a global SAP partner. We integrate your data using intelligent methodologies to turn SAP Business One into a growth engine for businesses worldwide, with a presence across the Americas, India, Africa, the Middle East, and Asia. Stop guessing your budget. Scan the QR code to claim your free demo and business process assessment. Let us help you map your implementation and grow your business strategically. Contact us at the email or phone numbers provided.